Aynalı Martin. Hepsini basıyor musun? Nasıl oluyor? Bir durdur istersen. Şimdi settings in here. Let me show you. 1 minute. You come to first of all you need to take the manual mode before you start. Come to manual. So what is the point of manual? To make a test pieces. For example, you want to press in position 30 and spoon is 80.5 and roulette is 80. You don't need to worry about this one. So what you do, you first, if you change the tube, if you put a longer one or shorter one, you need to change it. So before you change, you need to make a manual mode control. And for example, you set 30 and you set 8.5, right? And you hit start button and it give you one shot. After the one shot, you check the cigarettes. If it looks good, hit the position button right here. So what happens when you hit the position button? It automatically assigns the manual mode settings to automatic mode settings. So this way, you don't need to write the same thing again over here. So this is all about manual. And first, this is the home button, which is before you start, you need to press this button. It's gonna get the home position. Second, this one, and third, that one. This one is full speed run. Don't press it too much. It's just for for maintenance purposes. If you need to take the press in front, you just need to both use these balls. If you need to take the spoon in front, you need to use one of these. For the same thing happens for roulette, but you don't need to worry about that. So what is this? The first one is pusher. It push this one. This is all about for testings, and also for düşürücü, which is called runs this motor right here. So first one, this motor. Second one, this motor. Third one, this motor, and fourth one is this, as seen, and last one helezon, which is this. So this is all about settings. If you, in case anyhow, if you have happens the alarm, you need to reset alarm. Second, come to the settings point. You can choose the speed you want, and as you see, for example, this let's see it to English. So this one, for example, Macron reducer time. It says reduce, but the translation is wrong. It is this motor, how long it will run while it's automatic mode. So no worry about that. Second, press printing. So what we did in the Turkish mode, let's see, what was that? 30, 8.1. So we need to take it again, 30 to here, 30, 8.6. See. So now I hit position button, position, and it will assign right here. You see, it's just updated. And in Turkish mode, because we made the setting in Turkish mode, Because this second 40. So we're gonna make the same one in the other in English version. And these are, you don't need to worry too much, but press printing is again, it is how much the press blade will be in front in while it's running, and this is speed. As spoon forward, spoon how much it's gonna come inside. What happens if you want to feel exact like this? You can change it. For example, if you take 80.5 to 80, it will feel less. If you put 81, it will push more, which is, it's gonna be less tobacco will go in. So this is 8 millimeter 0.5, saying how much it's gonna go in. If you push more, it will stuck more. If you relax it, it's gonna be overhanging from here, from on top. So less overhanging, more get in. And second thing, so you don't need to reuse this if you want to use it in auto mode or when you get more experience. So you can just fiber sensor active, automatic tobacco reducer passive. This one is auto tobacco halazon motor, and fiber sensor is this one. If you make it, if you don't have, if it doesn't come here, any empty tube doesn't come here, it will detect it and it will stop. So, but you don't have to use it all the time. You can just turn it off. So you need to hit start button twice in certain time to make it exact, and but looks like it's finished very good. It's very nice. Same as original tobacco. One minute. Another thing. These are speed. These are press position. Again, same thing happens for press too. Like what I said about the spoon. So 8.5 millimeter, it is coming inside. 8 millimeter. And press right here, it comes 30 millimeter. This position. Don't change this. If you need to change it, you can change it later. But at the point, we just set it up exactly for this cigarette. And another settings. Number of tobacco shots is just here. How many times it hits? 2 is okay. Time is 30 milliseconds. Is still okay. And we can change, but it doesn't make. If you make it higher, this manufacturing rate will drop because it has to wait for this. Press is understood. Spoon is how much it comes, and second spoon, as you see, machine in order to drop the cigarette has to 2 times has to go in. This is how much it's going. And once you get more experience, you're gonna learn it. If you have any active file, it will be displayed here, and settings is here. For advanced, you need 3, 5 to 8. Enter. These are advanced settings. Don't mix with them. We made 1,748 cigarettes for testing, and this number won't change. You cannot change this number. And this is the highest possible. It's set it up for highest possible rate. So in this quotation, we found out it's highest possible manufacturing. Come, and that's all. For example, if this fiber sensor was active, it will be stopped by itself because there was gonna be no empty tube will be coming. This sensor has to see the empty tubes. Good.